DevOps. Lecture 1. Today we will learn about Introduction to DevOps. What is DevOps? History of DevOps. DevOps culture and values. What is DevOps? DevOps is a set of practices that combine software development and IT operations to improve the efficiency and speed of software delivery. The term DevOps is a combination of development and operations. Traditionally, software development and IT operations have been separate departments, each with its own set of goals and priorities. DevOps aims to break down the silos between these departments and create a culture of collaboration and communication, where developers and operations work together to deliver high-quality software quickly and reliably. DevOps practices typically include continuous integration and delivery, CI/CD, infrastructure automation, testing automation, and monitoring and logging. By automating many of the repetitive tasks involved in software delivery, DevOps teams can reduce the time and effort required to deliver new features and bug fixes while improving the overall quality of the software. History of DevOps. The history of DevOps can be traced back to the early 2000s when the Agile software development methodology emerged as a response to the slow and cumbersome traditional development practices. The Agile methodology emphasized collaboration, continuous feedback, and rapid iteration, which helped developers to deliver software faster and with higher quality. In the late 2000s, a group of IT professionals recognized that while Agile had improved the speed and quality of software development, it did not address the challenges of deploying software and managing IT operations. They realized that by applying the principles of Agile to IT operations, they could achieve similar benefits in terms of speed, quality, and collaboration. The term DevOps was coined in 2009 by Patrick Dubois, a Belgian IT consultant who organized the first DevOps Days conference in Ghent, Belgium. The conference brought together developers and operations professionals to discuss how to improve collaboration and streamline software delivery. And the years that followed, DevOps gained popularity as more organizations recognized the benefits of breaking down the silos between development and operations. The rise of cloud computing and containerization also played a significant role in the growth of DevOps, as these technologies enabled organizations to automate many of the tasks involved in software delivery and deployment. DevOps culture and values. DevOps is not just about technology, it's also about culture and values. The DevOps culture is characterized by collaboration, communication, and continuous learning and improvement. DevOps teams prioritize the following values. 1. Collaboration. DevOps emphasizes collaboration between development, operations, and other stakeholders in the software development process. This collaboration helps to break down silos and foster a culture of teamwork and shared responsibility. 2. Communication. DevOps encourages open communication and transparency between team members. Regular communication helps to ensure that everyone is aligned on goals, priorities, and progress. 3. Continuous learning and improvement. DevOps teams are always looking for ways to improve their processes and tools. They embrace experimentation and are not afraid to fail as long as they learn from their mistakes and use that knowledge to improve. 4. Automation. DevOps teams use automation to streamline processes, reduce errors, and increase efficiency. Automation helps to free up time for more strategic work and reduces the risk of human error. 5. Customer centricity. DevOps teams focus on delivering value to customers. They prioritize customer feedback and are always looking for ways to improve the user experience. Thanks for watching. Wait for more informative videos.